equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, disconnect your Dyson SV27 from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the battery. Now, carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Before replacing the cover, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. This helps maintain the vacuum's performance and longevity. Once cleaned, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightly fastened to prevent any issues during use. Next, let's move on to replacing the ring. This is often overlooked but is essential for maintaining the vacuum suction power. Locate the ring at the base of the vacuum. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the ring off. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. If you find this process daunting, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the old ring is removed, take your new ring and align it with the base. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Reconnect it to the power source and turn it on. Check for any unusual sounds or issues. If everything seems in order, you've successfully changed the battery and ring. If you encounter any problems, don't forget that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In summary, changing the battery and ring on your Dyson SV27 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer professional help, remember that we are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, and a convenient service right at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.